liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo.
This is our second game of today sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo sa loob ng Banana Court, Baron Mercado, covering the action. This is our second under 14 matchup. Zamboanga taking on Region 2. Tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, dulot-dulo to. Ang maglalaban, one from Luzon, of course, itong Region 2. One from Mindanao, CPF Dragons wearing red. Itong Humble Ballers wearing white jerseys para madali natin silang makilala. And for me, this is my first time covering these two squads. At tulad ng mga pag-cover ko sa mga nakaraang laro dito sa ating Battle of Champions, excited akong makita sino ang ating mga aabangan, ano ang ating mga titignan dito sa kuponang ito, laban ng Zamboanga at Region 2. At sigurado ko, maraming nanonood na mga kababayan natin dyan from Zamboanga and Region 2. Kaya mag-comment lang kayo, manood lang at enjoy natin itong labang ito between CPF Dragons at Region 2 Humble Ballers. Fernandez knocking down the free throw. 3-0 sa simula para dito sa CPF Dragons from Zamboanga. As they look to take that ball, that is Ong. Had a hand on it. Stepping out the line. Medyo masikip na dyan sa may pwesto ni Comkit Picasso. That's Genilia starting off the play here. Nice roll to the basket and scoring for 2, Cloud Ortiz. Scoring, I believe, his first 2 points of the contest. Couldn't find the angle itong mga taga Region 2. Still waiting for their first 2 points. What a spin. Uses the glass for safety. Grabe naman yung spin move na yon. And what a start as well for the Dragons, as a foul will be called on a Cloud or a Randy Ong. Seven to nothing start. Kaya tignan natin anong mga gagawing hakbang dito ng Region 2. Again, the champions sa kani-kanilang mga provincial leg. Facing off here in Manila. Running through, scoring for 2. That is Jose Cadiz. 9-0 run para dito sa Zamboanga. Looking to make their counter. Di papasok yung layup attempt na yun. Coming in from the Humble Ballers from Region 2. 6:18 remaining. Wala pa ring puntos itong Region 2. 9-0 start for the Dragons.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
Saktong-sakto of that timeout. Nakapuntos ang Region 2 Humble Ballers. Ong for 3. That is off the mark. Looking to run. Smallest man on the court. Looking to break this crossover and one. Nagising itong si Jomari Baptista. looking to baptize the squad with more points. Fearless on that drive was Baptista. Jomari uses the glass again. Nauuso na yung ganyang mga free throw, yung pinapatama sa board. Kaya we can see more of that. Lalong-lalo na yung mga players natin in the province, they utilize that. Merong players from Cebu, from Leyte, that utilize that same move at the free throw area, making that erasure attempt para dito sa kampo ng Dragons, itong si Henilia. But will shoot their free throws ay itong si JM Tibunsan. Johan Mark Tibunsan knocking down the first one. Again, 9-0. Nagsimula ang ating laro. Zamboanga off to a 9-0 start. Nag-timeout, naka-score ng 6 na sunod na itong Region 2. Zamboanga Dragons looking to continue where they left off. Cadiz mawawala sa kanyang bola, but last touch daw. Sabi ng ating referee, I believe it will be on Raba. Cadiz sends it in the corner. Misfires on that 3. Gonna push the pace here once again. Baptista. That pass was blocked on that last play. Doing a double cross against 3 defenders. Pick it up by Cadiz. Goes for that reverse. Finds the bottom of the net. That is a Curti, I should say, that's not Curti, Altub. Pero nakapuntos pa rin nonetheless itong CPF Dragons. 11-6 is the score. 5-point lead. Nice pass. Couldn't complete the play though. Sayang yun para sa Dragons. Here is Aktub at the free throw area. I should say that is Jacob Atad. Can't knock down the first. Three minutes 30. Making both free throws. Balik ang bola dito sa Dragons. Again, 9-0 start. Corner 3 is in. Making that 3-pointer count. Itong si Cadiz. Believe he has 5 points already dito sa ating laro. Looking to break in. Pinoy step. Another solid block, solid defense played there by Genilia. Traveling nga lang on the other side. Pero nakakailang block na agad early moments. Itong si Genilia. Jomari din. Kanyang pangalan dito. Getting those blocks. Here is Jomari Baptista. Genilia with a rebound. Throws it off on the right. Goes for the cross. Shooting on the left. A lot of things happening on that play. Isa lang ang sigurado natin na ipasok yung layup na yon. As again, that block by Henilia didn't make contact. Nakatama ng tamang or nakatama sa defend or sa offensive player. knocking down the first one. (16-7) is the score. Goes for that attempt, didn't go in. Second chance, point. Di pa rin papasok. Now throws it up. 16-7. Region 2 stopping that 9-0 run by Zamboanga by scoring 6 straight. Di pa rin makakuha ng basket. Kakasabi ko lang, napakasikip na hanapan ng butas. What a spin by Beronia on the last play. On the other side, nakasagot naman. Napakabilis ng responde ng puntos. That is a Jade Tomala making that basket. Isa pa on that right side, having a seat, deservingly so, getting that basket to go in. Thought about that three, waits for the fake, good defense. Played here by the guys from Region 2. Only down by 7. A much better spot, but turns the ball away and gets it back. Bilis naman nabulot, nakuha, nakabawi itong si Beronia. Making that 1-2 step. So turnovers left and right. Sa magkapilang squad, a 3 on the way. That is all air on that 3-pointer by Calderon. So 4 seconds to go, putting the ball in for the last 2 points of our first quarter. That is Madrid delivering the package. 18-13. Lamang po ang kampo ng Zamboanga. 5 points.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong.
Second quarter action, kakasimula lang. Traveling call ang tatawag dito sa Zamboanga. Thought they had a clean look on that layup attempt. Hindi makakakuha ng opportunity to increase the lead. Sayang para kay Tomala. As we start the second quarter, Zamboanga up here by 5, 18-13. Calderon calls out a play, uses the screen. Again, this is the under 14 division. And the highlight of that quarter, yung 9-0 run ng Zamboanga to start to build this 5-point lead. Now on the run, hindi papasok yung atake. Five-point lead pa rin as Zamboanga looks to increase their lead here. Meanwhile for Region 2, syempre gusto nilang bawasan, but that 3-pointer dropping in. 21-13. Going for that cross, rejected once again. Henilia, nagpapakilala si Jomari on defense. Really a tough cover. Lahat sinasabayan nito ni ni Jomari I should say. Jomari Henilia. Kanina pa siya really going for that challenge. So really impressive player. Itong si Henilia, he looks to stop that play. Didn't convert on that one. Throws it up on the right side and finishing it home. Tomala once again delivers the goods. 23-13. Nice pass and play. Getting that basket to go in. That was a nice one for Dimakita. Looking for that response. They get that friendly roll. Tomala once again. So Cadiz and Tomala, the two guards here para sa Zamboanga, sila nagbubuhat for the offense. Henilia naman on defense, making it hard for this Region 2 squad na makakuha ng mga stop, makakuha ng defensive plays, and they get that scoring layup. Saktong-sakto, outlet pass, Cadiz with a finish. Largest lead of the game, 10 points, 27-17. Woo-hoo-hoo! What a pass! That was a nice find. Beronia finding Dimakita once again. Fernandez knocks it down. Hindi na binigyan ng time mag-celebrate as Cadiz stepping through. Couldn't hit back-to-back hits. A good read on the side of the guys in white. A tap, a basket goes in. Tuloy-tuloy ang opensiba through defense para sa Zamboanga. Coming to play, Beronia. Follow-up is good. Looking for that sky-high play. Tomala scores another basket, 34-21. Nice pass by Raba, rejected. Naabangan ni Jomari and then a touchdown pass. Cadiz gets that basket to go. Henilia with a stop. Cadiz with a finish. Looking for this attack once again. Beronia scores on that drive. Just like that, 15-point lead. 36-21. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
36-30 is the score. Fly-by move. Getting that point across. Nakahanap ng butas. Waiting for that one was Brent Calderon. Getting a steal once again. Here's Calderon. Looking to make it Back to back for him. Sends it on the left. Open 3. Couldn't use the glass. Merong foul na itatawag during that rebound battle. A steal on the other side. Goes for that drive. Saktong-sakto on that steal. Speaking of saktong-sakto, Fernandez naman ang atake. As these two teams just continues to do damage as Raba for 3. All air on that last shot. Getting on that rebound. Pushing the pace. Fernandez 3 on 1. Dropping it home. Just a beautiful pass as Jacob Atad knocking down on that open spot. (40-27). Kanina, this was a 15-point lead on the side of Zamboanga. Calderon couldn't make it all the way. Makukuha niya ang possession. He pulls up for 3. That is off. Another running start. Zamboanga squad. Layo ng takeoff. No problem para dito kay Jacob Atad. Sasabihin ko pa lang, this Zamboanga squad loves to run. Loves making those outlet, those leak out plays for Region 2. Again, yung simula para sa kanila could have contributed into this lead that they are in. Cloud Ortiz will be called for that foul. Christian Pasqua will be at the line. Misses on the first one. 15-point lead. Abante ng Zamboanga. Misses both. 42-27. Misses on that attempt. So Zamboanga able to miss and get those rebounds, get those defensive stop. Missing on that 3. Ayun na naman, takbuhan na naman. This time it's Fernandez looking for that play. Could have made that extra pass pero si Fernandez kukuha. Region 2 looking to score here. Final 52 seconds remaining. Another block by Henilia. Jomari just saying no to every attack na ginagawa nitong Region 2 Humble Ballers. Would love to know kung ilang blocks na meron itong si Henilia. But at least on my count, he has 4 or 5 already. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
of that timeout. Tignan natin ang magiging diskarte dito ng Region 2. Floater won't fall. Rebound secured here by the guys in red. Zamboanga making a rare turnover on that last play. They've been playing so well. Talking about the CPF Dragons. Para talagang nagbubuga ng apoy yung kanilang opensa. And meanwhile on defense, looking to make every stop. Itong si Henilia making a lot of blocks, deflections, and intimidations. As that foul is called, looking to shake his way in, will be at the free throw area. Uses the glass for that free throw. Ayun na nga, tulad ng sabi ko, talagang tuloy-tuloy yung mga paggamit ng mga board ring shots na yan. Really is now a part of the game. Dahil syempre nung mga unang times kapag tumatama sa board yung free throw, nasasabi ang chamba. Pero ngayon wala nang chamba-chamba. Especially that hard-working move as we finish off our first half with these two teams exchanging baskets. 44-30 is the score. Zamboanga up by 14.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, Jun-
44-30 is our score here. Lamang ang Zamboanga ng 14 puntos. Sinimulan nila ito with a 9-0 run. And what a start Cadiz completes that first basket and one. Has been playing well itong si Cadiz in this ball game, just leaking out, making some plays. Kuha niya pa yung kanyang mintis on the free throw area. Goes for that drive, wants a 4-point swing. It's just all Zamboanga in this game as we are still live here inside Banana Court. Baron Mercado covering the action as we are now going to push this one off. 48-30 is the total. Calderon and the Region 2 squad nahihirapang makabutas, makakuha ng momentum. And as I say that, they commit a traveling infraction. (48-30) is our score here. Goes for that throw. That is a Beronia with a finish. 16 points. Kanilang kalamangan dito. Looking to extend, fakes. Going behind his back. A bit too fancy. And that will get you to be seated down. Siyempre kailangan sigurado yung mga pasa because you cannot give momentum on a squad na naghahabol dito, lalong-lalo na if they are a champion, just like these humble ballers from Region 2. Now pushing the pace, Cadiz once again. A slow pass that is not converted. Yan yung resulta of not making those quick passes. Cortez had that shot, or Ortiz had that shot, I should say, itong si Cloud. He was open. Could have taken that shot. (48-34). Trapped here with 9 seconds to go. Balik ang bola dito sa Region 2. (48-34). 14-point lead. Goes for that drive. Someone is open on that right wing. Pass was a bit too late. Calderon on that drive. Couldn't scoop one in. Sapa para kay Calderon. Miscommunication between these two players. 14 points pa din ang abante ng Dragons as they go and attack that basket. Hindi pa rin papasok. So after that Cadiz layup, hindi pa rin masyadong makakuha ng basket. Wala si Cadiz. Andyan naman si Tomala for Zamboanga. Region 2 ballers this time. They look to cut into this lead. Stepping for that jumper. A wild shot that didn't materialize. Fernandez Gives it in the middle. Bumps. Shoots. Sapa para kay Fernandez. Merong foul na naitatawag. Disisais. Abante ng Zamboanga. Cut it back to 14. But that's about it so far. Hindi makadiskarte itong Region 2 on defense, giving Fernandez that open lane. Again, 52 to 36. 4 minutes 15 remaining dito sa ating third quarter action. Looking to make something work. Sayang yung pasa, masyado lang malakas. Sending it to the corner. 5M Region 2. No outside shots as Tomala went all the way. Zamboanga not shooting or not settling for those jumpers. They always look to attack. Talking about the Dragons. Another leak out play. Spin, Tomala, one more time. 56-36 is the score. Losing the ball, Tomala once again. Fernandez, free lane. .305 remaining. Zamboanga CPF Dragons eating alive this Region 2 champions. Let's see what will happen in the remaining moments of this game.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
.58-36. 22-point lead. Another stop by the Dragons. Dribbling exhibition by Henilia. Fernandez all for 3. Last touch on the side here. Balik sa Zamboanga ang bola. 2:25 remaining. A steal. Tignan natin makaka-convert. They will do just that. But a lot of work to be done by Humboldt Ballers. 58-38. 20-point lead. Fernandez again all alone. As we approach the final minute 45 remaining dito. 20-point lead. Region 2 nahihirapang makahanap ng shots here. Zone defense perfect for CPF Dragons. Missing on that shot. Second chance opportunity. Make it 3 times the charm. Di pa rin makakuha. Knocks down the first one. Kanina it was just a steady 14-point lead. Nakauna itong Zamboanga, pushing it to at least 22 points. I see Ong checking in para dito sa Dragons. Fights for this possession. It is still on the hands of Region 2. Traveling nga lang. (58-41). Genilia, the stopper for Zamboanga. Here he is, scoring at will. Saktong-sakto on that delivery, making some quick response. Final 33 remaining. Atad now on the drive, traveling. How can you score kapag andyan si Genilia? Very good athleticism at a young age of 14. And one opportunity as Fernandez wants to get that block from behind. (60-45). 15-point lead para dito sa Zamboanga. Lane violation on the other end. Mintis yung pangalawang free throw. A chance to retake this and get the momentum as they get into the fourth quarter. 13-point lead. 60 po ang score ng Zamboanga. 47 para sa Region 2. And that score will stick as we approach the fourth quarter action. 60-47. Lamang ng 13 ang Zamboanga.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba.
Start of the fourth quarter. 13 ang hinahabol dito ng Region 2. Still couldn't find that right push. Talking about these guys from Humble Bowlers. Meanwhile for Zamboanga, just spinning, scoring, and playing defense. Yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-impressive sa kanilang nilalaro ngayon. Solid defensive plays led by Jomari Henilla. Bedonia cuts the lead here to 9. So this could be that time as Cadiz and company medyo nararamdaman na ang hakbang ng Region 2. Cadiz breaks it down, making a defender fall and lays up for 2. Looking to do that same attempt. Di nga lang papasok. Pero merong foul na itatawag at chance for Region 2 to be closer once again. High of 20 plus, baba na lang sa 11 na pababa sa 9 kanina. Let's see if they can do the same after this break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah.
9-point lead, 62-53. Cadiz goes for that in and out cross and the finish. Cadiz and Tomala again, the dangerous backcourt para dito sa Zamboanga. Fernandez also playing well for their squad. Tough basket. What a find and finish. Not giving up itong si Bedonia. Balik sa siyam. One stop for Region 2. Can cut this lead to 7 or 6. But how can you stop that? How can you stop that attack by Cadiz? He has at least 6 points in this fourth quarter. Fernandez almost had a hand on it. Derecho on the left. Kisses it off the glass. Back and forth we go. 66-57. As we are in the last 7 minutes of this fourth quarter. Fernandez will be called for a travel. Ito na ba ang simula for that Region 2 run? (66-57). Bedonia has been playing well, matching up against Cadiz, and that won't go on the side of Zamboanga's fast break. Pero kanila ulit ang possession. Will use this time to set up a play. Fernandez will turn the ball away. A running start, 3-on-3 Bedonia. What a move. Has made a couple of tough shots. Babasa pito and now on the run. No matter how fast Bedonia is, nagpapaas na siya ng sub dito. Di na mahahabol yung pasang yon. .5:30 remaining. Couldn't get that basket. A big three. That is off the mark. Balik ang bola dito sa Zamboanga after that Region 2 miss. 7 na lang ang kanilang hinahabol, as high as 20. Can the humble ballers humble this Dragons that has been really on a tear? But Cloud Ortiz adds more points on the board. 68-59. Pass is too high for Baptista. .68-59. Nice pass, Fernandez finding a Tumila on that last one. 11 ulit ang kalamangan dito ng Zamboanga. Looking to make a stop, getting that steal, Cloud Ortiz. Seven-point lead, angat sa 13. Zamboanga making their stand. Calderon will give the ball in the middle. Jumper will not fall. And there is a foul call on that rebound attempt. .320 to go. 7-point lead blown up to 15. Region 2 will call for time.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
.74-59. 15-point lead. Zamboanga looking to make one last stop with 2 minutes 50 remaining. Region 2 na ibaba na nila to kanina to at least 7 points. That was 59-66. 8-2 run by Zamboanga. Fernandez breaking some ankles. Nice stop all the way for 2. 11-point lead. Foul is called here as we are into the last 2 minutes of our second game of today. Tomala will miss on the first one. 74-63. Isa pa para kay Tomala. 75-63 ang ating score. Last 2 minutes time. May isa pa bang run? Ang Humble Ballers, a big three. Couldn't hit that outside shot. Fernandez throws it up. Tumala. Couldn't find the right angle. Nagmamadali once again. Sabi ni Fernandez, bola daw. But 90 seconds na lamang ang nalalabi dito. We'll start off the play. Itong si Velasco. Looking to find a friend. Merong tulak. Jacob Atad will be assessed with that foul. 75 to 63. A minute 23 remaining. Alley-oop. Didn't go in. Going for one last stop. Zamboanga looking for a big basket, and there it is. Tumala just finding an open lane. Again, Tumala, Cadiz, Fernandez. Kahit itong si Cloud Ortiz responsible for the shooting, for the scoring of this Zamboanga squad. And they have done it all through leak out plays just like that. Good composure on the side of Zamboanga for Region 2. Just couldn't hit those shots when it mattered. 66 to 59 yung score natin kanina, as that beautiful move by Tumala adds more points on the board. A 15 to 4 run by Zamboanga ever since that 7-point lead. Bedonia on the stop. Merong foul na itatawag on Ortiz, so this will do it. Zamboanga, CPF Dragons from the get-go until now really dominant. .5 knocks down the second. 81 to 65 ang ating score dito. Final timeout of the game brought to us by Pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
.81 to 65, and that will do it for our second game of today. Champions of Zamboanga showing the way, led by their three amazing guards, Tumala, Cadiz, Fernandez, and Henilia being the anchor of defense. 81-65. Second game is done. More to cover dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions.
Ligan ng